HLRS is a national supercomputing center. Actually, it was the first German national supercomputing center.
We have a good mixture of working with people from science, from industry, from public administration, and to work on innovation and to think beyond the borders.
In 1996, we became a national supercomputing center. We brought in the engineers from all the other large technical universities who said, okay, great, we finally have one German system. One car manufacturer came and said, we know we need a supercomputer, could we use yours? And we said, yeah, great, let's do that. Now we have something like 75 companies. We give them opportunity, they give us a push to professionalize our services, and that's great for us. We learn from them, they learn from us, and it's a win-win for me.
We started working with the HLRS 1.5 years ago. The difference to anonymous cloud providers is that we have a team there that we can collaborate, and so innovation sparks, and I think that's pretty cool.
You look at supercomputers, you find all kinds of applications. They design drugs, agriculture, to optimize agriculture, your health, like your heartbeat. Wherever you look, it's a supercomputer, because we can simulate nearly everything. It reduces the time and it reduces the costs. That's why you do it. The supercomputer is one single integrated system. It only works if everything fits nicely together.
Collaboration with the producers of the hardware is very important for us because they know their systems very well. And this combination of our people and having the people from HPE and AMD, this is a good synergy to provide the best possible service to the users. Hunter is a good system now to move away from the plain CPU-centric applications they had.
Hunter, it is our first step to use APUs. The great thing about APU is you cannot only do simulation, you can also do artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence now gives you a second tool, and you can put the two of them together.
I'm very excited about what AI can actually do for us if it's combined carefully with knowledge that we have as human beings and our reasoning. I think there is a pretty bright future ahead.
From analyzing data to generating reports, that takes a lot of time. This is something where these models are probably 1,000 times faster than any human being. There are use cases and workflows in almost every department of every company that can be optimized or improved with AI.
We have this two-phase approach, the Hunter being the onboarding platform, really bringing them to the technology, and then having the Herder later on, which is then much more powerful because they can utilize it already to a maximum.
RECOM stands for Reaction and Combustion Modeling. We have a 3D combustion fluid dynamics program coming from the previous system to the Hunter. We are projecting a factor of 20 to 40 compared to the previous system, which would mean we can do things today that are not imaginable. That will change everything.
We have a new building in construction made for Herder later on, and also the sustainability aspect.
We got this European Management Award, which is called EMAS. It says you are working in a sustainable way. We're the only center in Europe that has this.
The whole university campus will be able to reduce their CO2 emissions.
What will happen is, in summer, all the process heat that we currently have to produce will come from our system. And when winter comes, we will heat a third of the university, and then we go back to process it.
We cannot solve everything, but we can do our part, running the system as effective as possible. By being able to showcase what we are doing good here, we can also show the society and people why it's worth to invest in such a system, especially in our case with taxpayers' money.
Society benefits significantly from the work that we do and other companies do here on these systems, because at the end, every product that we develop, every simulation that we do will benefit the people in the country and in Europe and all over the world.
The tools we are building might help us understand how flight situations occur and prevent them from becoming critical. I love what I do. I think the aircraft of the future will look completely different.
The improvements that they bring in through simulation make it possible that we still manufacture cars here. While everybody else is trying to move this to other places where everything is cheaper, Stuttgart was able to keep the workforce here. We're looking at the problems of the people. Industrial problems, research problems, problems of ordinary people out there. We cover all of this to make the world a better place.